How to get all of the immediate subdirectories in Python. I'm trying to write a simple Python script that will copy your index.tpl to index.html in all of the subdirectories, with a few exceptions. I'm getting bogged down by trying to get the list of subdirectories.
To get full path, immediate subdirectories in a directory. To get the latest, newest subdirectory.
Why has no one mentioned glob? Glob lets you use Unix-style pathname expansion, and is my go-to function for almost everything that needs to find more than one pathname. It makes it very easy. Note that glob will return the directory with the final slash, as Unix would, while most path-based solutions will omit the final slash.
Check getting a list of all subdirectories in the current directory. Here's a Python 3 version.
Hey, what's up, Shell? Please enjoy liking and subscribing.